Yeah, gentlemen and ladies, you can see it right in front of you here. This is Puyo, and this Puyo suction is getting frozen. What's the reason why this very suction line is getting frozen? Well, hang on, because I'm gonna be giving you all the bombs in this very video here. Now, the first thing you have to understand here is when the system is freezing on the suction line, it's a clear indicative of a problem with the system. The first, it can be a sign of a defective low pressure sensor in the system that is often in the suction line. So you need to look out for yours and see if yours has a low suction pressure sensor. As for this very Puyo here, it doesn't have it, so because of that, we bypassed it. Then the next second one you want to look at is, was the system bypassed? If the system is bypassed, that the thermostat is bypassed, and that's a kicker. I just zoomed in so that you can see that this is not a coincidence, and it's gonna be melting like a peanut butter just in a moment. And I'll tell you why. So if the thermostat is bypassed, it's gonna start creating endless refrigerant pumping of the compressor, which will go into making the suction line to freeze the way you guys are watching it right here. And if you look at it correctly right now, it is defrosting from the root just gently, but it's not fast. However, if you didn't bypass it and this is happening, still hang on. The next thing you want to look out is the thermistor that controls the temperature that cut off the power in the system. Is it good? No, it cannot be good in this kind of condition, because if it is good, it should be able to signal the ECU, the AC ECU, that the system is getting too cold and it should turn it off and to cut off the power going to the compressor, but it didn't, and that is why this very problem here is occurring. Now, the last guy you want to look at is a stock clutch pulley. You can see right now is the icing, because suddenly the thermistor responded. But some other case, you might be having a bad clutch that is stuck. So